Super cute. Tank top, nice and flowy. This would almost be good for like a maternity top, actually. Ooh, yes. Because it's so long, even when your tummy's out to here, it's still gonna be long enough. If you want this one more fitted, I would size down, or if you're in between sizes like me, size down. But as is, really nice and flowy. It's got these like pleats going on and a nice scoop neck in the front and high up in the back. Nice armpits. They're not like too, sometimes they're just way too scooped out or loose and you feel like your bra is just hanging out, but this is nice and covered. At the same time, it's not like way up into your pit getting all sweaty. And then you can just, you know, do a little French tuck if you want. You could do, I don't know, what else? What else can you do here? One of these things where you stick it in the back. Is that a thing? I don't know. Anyway, you can get it more fitted if you want, or fully tuck it in, whatever. It's flexible, how you wear it. Super cute, comfy, very stretchy, very nice material. Tons of colors, several like blue, green, white, several solid colors, a lot of patterns. I just went with my favorite hot pink.